Welcome to the 84 Lumber Estimating Software Training videos. In today's video, we're going to cover how to create a new project within Square Takeoff. Let's get started. To create a new project, you can do this in one of two places. You can select the Create New Project located on your dashboard screen, or you can also launch this feature within your bid management calendar. Within your bid management calendar, simply select the Create New Project. Once you do that, a menu should appear. Within this menu, you're going to enter the information that's unique to this job. For example, company name. The owner is the estimator or the owner of this project. The project name, I recommend entering the builder's name first, followed by the project name. The reason for this is whenever you're utilizing, for example, the list view located within your calendar here, it's easier to sort through the builders if you put the builder's name first. Next, we'll look at the project rating. The project rating can be utilized for anything that you see fit. Maybe, for example, you would like to rate your builders by the level in which you're confident you'll win the bid. So, for example, maybe a builder that you've worked with a lot, you want to raise this to a 5 stars. Maybe it's a new project you've never bid before and you're not sure what your percentage of winning it could be. You can enter it maybe as a 1 or 2 star. Next is your status. Within the status, there's a lot of different fields. This basically outlines the process of submitting a new bid. So for example, from the new to approving it, from the initial review to make sure that you have all the items that you need to be able to complete this estimate, from going into the estimating process, next to going into our POS system and pricing it, followed by the estimate review and final review, and then lastly submitting your bid. One of the important statuses we like to see everybody utilize, for example, is project awarded. Whenever you see that that project has been awarded and you know you're going to be shipping material, go back into Square Takeoff and simply select project awarded. Also too, we have other items such as, for example, lost bid, project materials ordered, and so forth and so on. Next is look at the bid due date and the project start date. The bid due date will be obviously whenever you're going to be submitting this bid. So let's say, for example, that we need to submit this bid tomorrow. Around 4 p.m. is the bid due date. We know the project is going to start this upcoming Friday at around 8 a.m. The project start date will utilize the date in which we're going to be shipping our first bit of material. Next, let's look at the contact information. Within contact information, you can enter all the information that's unique to this project, such as maybe the contact for the project might be the builder, the PM, maybe a homeowner, whatever it might be. Simply enter that information here. The benefit of that is if, for example, you lose your phone, you don't have to worry about losing your contacts for these projects. Those projects' contacts will be saved within this project. Once again, one of the benefits of being a web-based solution is you'll be able to access this from any PC or mobile device to be able to look up this information. Next, let's look at project details. Within the project details, we're going to simply select the color. And all the color is simply whatever the item will be colored here on the screen. So you can use the colors to color coordinate your builders based off of who the builder is, maybe even the community. You can color code everything. So that way, whenever you quickly look at your calendar, you can see that, for example, blue violet is equal to ABC Builder. Next, let's look at the estimated total project. The estimated total project and the bid value are two different numbers. For example, the bid value will just simply be the value of the bid in which you have estimated within the software, and the estimated total project would be that initial bid value plus any outside bids such as window quotes, maybe a truss design pricing, engineered wood pricing. You would be able to combine those items and price those all together to give you a total project value. So within here, you can simply enter the total project value and then once again the bid project value if you would like. Next is your project notes. Within the project notes, you can enter a couple different things. For example, anything that you need that's unique to the project. Maybe the builder wants you to quote a specified piece of material versus another. You can simply notate that within here. Anything that currently happens within the project, maybe things, for example, dates in which trusses might be delivered, whatever type of information that's unique to this project. And then below that you have the reference documents. So within here you can select and upload files to the project. Some of these files might be the original specification guide, any job site photos, maybe photos of the load before it was shipped out, any type of items such as that. Maybe you also want to upload any of your truss quotes or engineered wood quotes. The benefit of this is going to keep all of your reference documents and all your documentation for this project centralized in one location, saved on the web. Once again, so if your computer crashes, you don't have to worry about it. You'll have all your information saved in one central location. At this point here, you've entered everything in. You can go back very quickly and verify. And whenever you're good, you can simply go ahead and hit save. Once you hit save, it'll create this project for you. And here you can see it on your calendar. It now appears. Thanks for viewing this video. And in the next video, we're going to show you how to upload your blueprints into the software.